Another problem that deals with the clock is this one. Robert's soccer team needs to be off the field by 12:15 p.m. Each game is 1 3/4 hour long. What time should the game begin to be sure that the team finishes on time? Now we know that they have to be done. Their stop time is 12:15 p.m. Each game is 1 3/4 hours long. We have to figure out what time the game should begin. So this is the opposite of what we had to deal with in the last problem, because now we have the end time and we need to figure out the start time. The cool thing is that we can still use the same strategy from before, which is a number line. The one other thing that I want to figure out is what is 1/4 of an hour and 3/4 of an hour. Because I know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So that means 1/4 of an hour has to be less than 60 minutes. Well, if I look at a clock, if you're looking at a clock, you can split it into 4 pieces. And we can do that by looking at 15-minute chunks. So here is 1/4 of an hour. This would be another 1/4 of an hour, another 1/4 of an hour, and another 1/4 of an hour. So it looks like every 15 minutes is 1/4 of an hour. So I'm going to make my intervals 15 minutes. So I know my end time again is 12:15 p.m. So if I go back 15 minutes, remember I'm counting backwards this time. So 12:15, and I'm taking away 15 minutes, puts me at 12 o'clock p.m. Now remember that when we hit 12 o'clock and we're counting backwards, now I'm going to be going into a.m. So take away 15 minutes from 12 o'clock. That puts me at a different hour, which is 11:45 p.m. Go back another 15 minutes, and I'm at 11:30 p.m. Another 15, and I'm at 11:15 p.m. Another 15, then I'm at 11 o'clock. And guess what? Miss Hurrigan just realized I'm making a mistake here. Hopefully you guys caught on that it should actually be a.m. like I was talking about. Once we get past 12 o'clock, then it switches. There we go. Now I reached 11 o'clock, so it's going to go to a new hour. It's going to be 10:45 a.m. 10:30 a.m. 10:15 a.m. 10 o'clock a.m. And I'm going to stop there for now. If I need more, I can extend. So I'm going to make a full hour jump backwards. So I'm going to start at my end time, and I'm going to jump an hour. 12:15, if I go an hour before that, let's see, 15, 30, 45, 60. That's going to put me at 11:15 a.m. So that was my 1 hour jump. Now I also need to jump 3/4 of an hour. Remember that 1/4 is 15 minutes. So that means I need to make 3 jumps of 15 minutes. So that's 1/4, another 4th, and another 4th, which gives me a total of 3/4 of an hour. That means that my start time needs to be at 10:30 a.m. You could also solve this problem by looking at an actual clock and counting backwards.